Hi friends, welcome back. I am Cheryl. Today I will be unboxing the EGK 4 meters 16 color RGB waterproof LED strip. This comes along with an adapter and a remote control. Since this is waterproof, this can be used for decorating the fountains, indoor as well as outdoor, even our aquariums also. I got this from online at a very competitive price. So let's unbox it. This is what we found inside the box. This is the remote, this is the LED strip, this is the power adapter, and this is 4 meter 16 color. That means it is having red, yellow, blue, green, white, warm white and RGB. RGB means it is a combination of red, green and blue. With this combination it is able to produce a wide range of colors, and these colors can be changed and configured using this remote. So let's give the connection and see. This is the remote. This is the 4 meter strip which has come in a circular. This is how it is, and this is waterproof. That means I can use it even in water. This is the connector. This is the remote head, and this is the power supply, and this is the DC adapter. This is the adapter which I got. This is 12 volt adapter. So this LED strip requires 12 volt. Let's connect and see. Here they have given arrow mark, which means the way how it has to be fixed. So here you can see there is a small arrow, and here also there is a small arrow. So we need to fix in such a way that these both are facing each other. Yes, I have fixed it. It's tight. Now I need to fix it to the adapter. Okay, it is fixed to the adapter. Yes, it is working. Now I'll on the battery. This is coming with a safety plastic so that the battery won't get discharged. I just removed it. Now you operate the remote. Now it's red color. Next I'll just type green color. It's green. Now blue color. Blue. Now white color. It's the mixture. Now I'll just type the flash mode. Now strobe. Next is the flash mode. Next is the normal mode. We have to point this towards the sensor only, then it works well. This is not like the universal remote. We'll have to point it towards the sensor only, then it works. Start. Blue, green, red, white. Next. Now I'll switch off the light and I'll show how bright it is. Now I shall switch on it. Red color, mixed color, green color, blue color, different modes. Different combination of colors. My video, do like, share, support and subscribe my channel for more informative videos on different technologies. Do comment on your feedbacks. Thank you very much.